Hey everyone, welcome to Anatomy with Ansh. In this video, we're going to break down one of the most important organs in the human body, the heart. A lot of people hear words like atria, ventricles, or oxygenated blood and immediately get confused. My goal is to explain how the heart works in a way that actually makes sense, even if you never taken anatomy before. By the end of this video, you'll understand exactly how blood flows through the heart step by step. Okay, so here we have a standard picture of the heart. Before we talk about blood flow, let's zoom out and understand what the heart actually is. So, the heart we have here and inside our bodies is a muscular pump, and it's about the size of your fist. So, if you were to put your fist to where your heart is, you can estimate the size of your heart inside your body. So, the only job of the heart is to keep blood moving throughout your body, and it does this nonstop. And if anyone could guess how many times it beats in a day, please drop it down in the comments. So here in our heart, we have four chambers, and this is when people start getting confused. Like, what do you mean where, left, right? I don't know. Is it my left or your left, right? So the top two chambers are called the atria, and the bottom two chambers are called the ventricles. So think of the atria as receiving rooms, and the ventricles are pumping rooms, right? And this is all relating to blood. So okay, so here, as we draw a line between the heart, we see that the heart splits into two sides. The right side, which is this, and the left side, which is right here. So basically, the key idea is that the right side of the heart, it deals with blood that needs oxygen, right? And the left side deals with blood that has already had oxygen and is ready to go throughout your body, right? So here's like a confusing part that you'll get once you start like looking at it more closely and in depth, right? So when we have the left side and the right side, uh, seems pretty standard, right? But since we're looking at it from the patient's view, right, the right side of the body contains the left ventricle and the left atrium. So so that may seem a little confusing at first, but like it comes with practice. So right here, is the right atrium. Oh no, excuse me. This would be the left atrium. And this right here would be the left ventricle. And right here on the left side, we have the right atrium and the right ventricle. Okay, so each of these four chambers, they have their own specific role, and the blood always moves in one direction, and it never goes backwards. That's something to remember. So, all right, from the very beginning, let's walk through blood flow from the start. Blood that has already delivered oxygen to the body comes back to the heart through large veins. This blood is low in oxygen. So basically, a blood has already went through your body, right? It's gonna come back, and it's gonna be come back to the heart, but this time it's not gonna be it needs oxygen, right? So arrows. So if you point these arrows towards the right atrium, these are so the so like the blood coming back right to the heart after going through your body, it's coming in through the right atrium, and what the right atrium does is all it does is to receive the blood, right? It's a little blood drop. And when the heart beats, the blood moves down into the right ventricle. So if you put your hand to your heart, you could hear it pumping. That's just the blood moving down into the right ventricle right here, right? And then now this is the right ventricle's job, okay? The right ventricle's job is to sends this blood to it sends it to the lungs. That's what the right ventricle's job is. Now, all right, so as the right ventricle pumps blood to the lungs, this is where something very important happens. So in the lungs, right, blood releases carbon dioxide and picks up oxygen. So that's like a main key point of the lungs, right? That's what their job is. We could get into that in a different video, but the lung is the blood releases carbon dioxide, and then it picks up oxygen, right? A blood needs oxygen. A blood needs oxygen. That's very important. And then that's what turns our blood into oxygen rich blood, right? So so after that blood had as filled with oxygen from the lungs, right? It's gonna go back into the left atrium, right? And now this blood, right? Remember we talked about how the left side is what the needs the oxygen, right side has already gotten the oxygen. So the freshly oxygenated blood now returns into the heart, but from the right side through the left atrium. So when the heart beats again, right? As you feel your heart bumping and pumping, uh, as so the blood, so as yeah, right, as we remembered again, like as a heart is pumping blood, this blood from the left atrium is moving down into the left ventricle. So the left ventricle is the strongest chamber of the heart because it has the hardest job. So these key jobs that we had of the right ventricle, right atrium, and the left ventricle, they aren't exactly as difficult, right? They're just pumping blood through the heart and through the body and through the lungs, right? And then now as you come down to the left ventricle, I would say it has the hardest job, right? Because the ventricle, as the blood leaves the left ventricle, it the pumps the oxygenated, like the freshly oxygenated blood through your entire body, your brain, your muscles, your organs, everything. Everything, your whole body needs blood to run. So left ventricle has the most important job. It needs to pump the blood throughout your body. That's why has the most difficult job. And once this the oxygen is delivered, the blood becomes low in oxygen again, right? And the cycle repeats. So basically it's a cycle. As we go through this heart cycle, the blood is pumping through the body consistently because of these four chambers. So, just like some takeaways from this video, if you remember one thing from this video, remember this. The right side of the heart sends blood to the lungs. The left side sends blood to the body. So, the simple idea explains almost everything about heart function. Alright, so I know it's my first video, and I just want some feedback from you guys in the comments. Anything that you want to add, anything I might have missed, or anything you want to see in the future. But like for me on my side, like in future videos, we'll build on this by taking we can go more depth into the heart, anything that like complex structures, and that's basically my goal with this channel. I want to grow it to the point where I could reach audiences and I could enlighten them about things that truly matter in your body. So, all right, thank you guys for watching, and I'll